If you're trying to change your Evernote subscription, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to update your Evernote plan on desktop, whether you want to upgrade, switch billing frequency, or confirm your new subscription details. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Evernote account. You can go directly to your account settings page, then sign in with the account that's tied to the subscription you want to change. Once you're in, take a look at the top area of the page and click on your profile. From there, select Account Info. This is where Evernote keeps the settings for your account and subscription management. After you open Account Info, look for the Manage Plan option in the left-hand menu. This is the section you need if you want to change your current Evernote subscription. Once you click Manage Plan, Evernote will show you the available plans and billing options for your account. Now you can review the plan options carefully. If you want to upgrade, select the plan you wish to move to, such as Advanced or another available subscription level. Make sure you read what's included so you know exactly what you're getting before you continue. If you're not upgrading and just want to switch how you're billed, look for the billing frequency set instead. Next, choose whether you want to pay monthly or yearly. This part matters because the billing frequency can affect the total price and how often you're charged. Monthly billing gives you more flexibility, while yearly billing can often be more cost-effective over time. Pick the option that best fits your budget and how you use Evernote. Once you've selected your plan and billing frequency, review all of your payment details carefully. Double-check your account information, payment method, and the final subscription summary before moving forward. If everything looks correct, proceed to checkout and confirm the change. Evernote may ask you to approve the payment or save your updated subscription settings before the switch is complete. After you confirm, your Evernote subscription should update to the new plan right away or at the end of your current billing cycle depending on the change you made. It's always a good idea to revisit your account info page afterward just to make sure the new plan is showing correctly. And that's how to change your Evernote subscription on desktop. It's a simple process once you know where to go, and now you can upgrade your plan or adjust your billing with confidence. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.